Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to reset TPMS tire light on a 2012 Ford Escape Limited. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now, first thing you will have to do, you will have to access the tire learn mode, and there is a specific procedure on how to do it, so I will show it to you right now. So to start, have all the doors closed and have the key at the off position. The first thing what you will do, press and release the brake pedal once. And once you do that, you will cycle through off and run 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Leave it in the run position and again press and release the brake pedal only once. And now again you will cycle 3 times between off and run. 1, 2, 3. And you will hear the horn sounds once, and that means you've entered the tire learn mode, and you'll get a message drain left front tire. And your TPMS light will start blinking. This is your TPMS light. Now, unfortunately, to proceed, you will need the TPMS diagnostic tool or scanner. Now, I'm using the one from Napa. If you don't have one, I know here in Canada, most of the tire shops can rent it out for like 20 bucks per day, or even better deal, you can buy one at Amazon for the cheaper one for like 50 bucks, and then you have it to use it on each one of your vehicles. But anyways, I will show you how mine works. Now, I forgot to mention before starting, make sure that all the tires are fully inflated and then proceed with the tire learn mode. Now mine, okay, once I turn it on, and most of these scanners work the same, so you pretty much have to select, okay, service TPMS. I have to go under the Ford Escape, 2009 to 2014, that's my generation, yes. Okay, mine is with standard ignition. Okay, here's now the procedure which I just showed you, how to enter the tire learn mode. And once I do that, now I am in the learn mode as well. And now what I have to do, I have to proceed outside and I have to scan each of the tire sensors separately, starting from the front left and going to front right, rear right, and then ending in the rear left. And if the scanner recognizes all the sensors, it's gonna program them to the computer, and that's pretty much it. And I will now proceed outside to show you how this works. So I'm at the front left tire. I'm gonna press the scan button now. Okay, it found the sensors. It's gonna show me the PSI, the temperature, the battery status, and the pass or fail. So this one is a pass. I can press OK and proceed to the front right tire. Same thing, scan. Okay, it's also a pass. Jesus Christ, 49 psi in this tire. I have to double check the pressure. I'm not sure how this is possible, but whatever. It says that it's 49 psi. Okay, I'll proceed to the next one. Scan. Okay, this one is a pass as well. And I'll press OK and proceed to the rear left tire, and this will be the last one. And once this one passes, the car will beep twice, and that means it was successful. Okay, this one is a pass as well. And then if you get inside your car, you will see a message, training complete. Now they usually beep twice when it's completed. This one beeped once, but anyways, it says training complete. I will try to start it now to see if the light is still on. And no, the light is off. So yeah, this is how you relearn your TPMS sensors. It's not hard, it's very easy to do. Like I said, you need the TPMS scanner tool. it's worth buying it, I think, because most of the shops will charge you like half hour, even like up 1 hour of labor to do it, when it really takes them just 2 minutes to get it done. So yeah, think about it, and yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.